Hi, welcome to Project Guts. This is the physical science module on chemical reactions. This module covers a good number of concepts in chemistry. However, it is a flexible model and you can discuss the chemistry concepts behind it in as much detail as you want depending on what you have already covered in class. You can begin with a discussion of the physical and chemical properties of matter and how it is demonstrated in the model. Another good discussion would be about how atoms become ions, some positive and some negative ions, and what the chemical symbols are. In this model, we cover ionic compounds, their solubility in water, and how they dissociate into positive and negative ions. In a chemical reaction, the states are important: solid, liquid, gas. But more importantly is the aqueous state, since water is the solvent needed for this reaction to take place. You can expand the discussion into different examples of ionic compounds. What are the signs of a chemical reaction? How the observed behavior of a chemical reaction translates into a chemical equation. The model expects the students to have some knowledge of what a balanced chemical equation is, how it relates to the conservation of mass, and what is the limiting agent or limiting reactant. But also, this model might be a way to introduce these concepts or bring it all together as we start with a base model and add to it and experiment with it. The reaction that we are going to model here going to involve some silver nitrate and copper. It's also going to involve some complex ions. This concept of complex ions is a new concept for the student. However, no prior knowledge is needed, as one of the lessons in this module will guide them through it. Another new idea for the students that they will learn in the course of this module is the concept of rate of reaction. Rate of reaction can be an advanced concept. However, you can introduce it through this module with the definition of the rate of the reaction is how fast the reactants are used up or the products are formed over time. So this is the chemical reaction we're going to be modeling in this lesson. And as you see, we are starting with silver nitrate in aqueous solution plus solid copper, which is supposed to give us copper nitrate in aqueous solution plus a deposit of silver solid. We will review and learn some chemistry concepts while also learning more about computer modeling and simulations. Stay tuned.